Sorry, hey guys, it's me, Courtney, and today I'm gonna do a cover of Set Fire to the Rain, I guess, or yeah, it is the song, and it's been one of my favorite songs recently, and I've just really been loving it, and so here it goes. Sorry about that, really sorry. With all my heart, under the fair, you used to claim it. It was dark, the day was over, till you kissed my lips, just saved me. My hands feel strong, but my knees were weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. And there's a side to you I never knew all the things you say they were never true. Games that you play, you would and always win. I set fire, hey, watch the pores out your face. Well, it burned, well, I cried, 'cause I heard you screaming out your name. Hey. Together, nothing gets better. Beside you, that I never knew all you say were never true. In the games you played, you would always win, always. But I set fire to rain. Watch the pour as I turn face. Well, it burned, I cried, 'cause I heard you screaming out your name. Set fire to the rain. You lost into a flame. Burned some die, 'cause I knew that was the last time. I'll wake up on the door that haunts you upon my stairway. You and now the running over. Help myself from looking for. I set fire, rain. Watch the pour out your face. Well, it burned, well, I cried, 'cause I heard you screaming out your name. Set fire to the rain. I lost to the flames. Well, it felt something die, 'cause I knew that was the last time. Thank you. Peace.